Volkswagen Barbie here, and it's time to address the big blank spot I have on my wall in Phoebe's garage now. See, for the last year I've hung the Rare Air Emerald Coast banner up there, which I would pull down to take to shows and stuff like that, with the name change or having a flag change. So in the meantime, I'm gonna keep this constant, because one thing that's not gonna change is Volkswagen Barbie. So I ordered up a custom banner specifically for this spot. Dual-sided, so I can actually take it to shows and hang it between my buses. But isn't it cute? So I'm gonna get this hung, but I got some nails and hammers to drag out and get to banging on. Peace out.